Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for our last episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the history of skateboarding in America. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test. Here we go. Did skateboarding begin in the 1950s in California? Yes, it started as a way for surfers to have fun on land. Was the first name of skateboarding street surfing? No, it was called sidewalk surfing. Were the Z-Boys known for skating in skate parks only? No, they became famous for skating in empty swimming pools. Did skateboarding disappear completely in the 1980s? No, it moved to the streets and continued to grow underground. Did the Tony Hawk video game help make skateboarding more popular? Yes, it brought the sport to a whole new audience. Was skateboarding included in the Olympics for the first time in 2021? Yes, it made its Olympic debut that year. Are stairs, rails, and benches commonly used in street skateboarding? Yes, they're key features in urban skating. Did skateboarding become a worldwide sport thanks to surfing competitions? No, it spread globally through events like the X Games and media. Is skateboarding only a sport and nothing more? No, it's also a culture, an art form, and a way of life. Did skateboarding lose its rebellious image after becoming an Olympic sport? No, it kept its edge and attitude while gaining respect. Watch this feedback video again to reinforce everything you've learned. And don't forget to subscribe so you're always ready for the next exciting lesson on English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.